What's up guys? Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of a couple of highly requested home theater products, the Emotiva XPA-DR3 and the one that I'm most excited to check out, the RMC-1 preamp processor. Before we get into it, if it's your first time here, we discuss all things audio and video, from new movies to new audio and video gear, like this home theater system. So if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for new weekly videos. Alright, real quick. You might have seen the other Emotiva amplifier reviews on the channel, of which I've always enjoyed their sound quality, because they've got affordable solutions for the beginner, and they've got baller solutions like their DR series of amps. These amps are fully differential, which will help eliminate any kind of interference entering the signal path. So things like hum and buzz shouldn't be an issue. The same goes for their big daddy processor, the RMC-1. It's fully balanced, and it's also capable of decoding 16 channels of immersive audio, so Dolby Atmos and DTS-X are on board. It's also one of the few processors that are upgradable using modules. It's kind of like the NAD M17 processor that I had in here. So this thing can have the capability to decode up to 28 channels by adding new modules. That's a ton of channels. Okay, enough of the tech specs. I gotta save something for the full review. So let's go on and get these things unboxed. Inside the RMC-1 box, we get some documentation, the calibration microphone, the microphone cable, the remote control, which feels like a 5-pound brick of steel. This is how you make a remote control. Here we have an accessories box with a tabletop mic stand inside, another box with the power cord, some batteries for the remote, and we also get some antennas and a USB stick. The RMC-1 retails for $5,000 at the time of this video. If you couldn't tell, this is a premium device. Up front, it's got the classic Emotiva aesthetics. The power button is bottom center and the multifunction knob is in the middle, flanked by two OLED displays. I'm not sure if they're 4K OLEDs though. On the bottom left is a 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB input, and a 3.5mm input. Taking a look around back are all the goodies. There are fully balanced XLR outputs for all 16 channels. If you need RCA pre-outs, you're going to need some adapters. Here are 8 HDMI inputs along with 2 HDMI outs with support for ARC. There's a few analog RCA inputs next to a set of fully balanced inputs. We have coax and optical digital audio outs and some digital audio ins. There's a bunch of triggers, an Ethernet input, and a USB input as well. Moving over to the DR3 amplifier, you'll see it looks just like Emotiva's other amps, with the biggest difference being what's inside. The DR3 retails for $2,200 at the time of this video. It's a 3-channel amplifier rated at 450 watts per channel, with all channels driven into 8 ohms. Around back, you'll see that we have binding posts for all 3 channels. Depending on if you're running RCAs or XLRs, all you have to do is flip this switch. Okay, this is just a quick unboxing, so I didn't delve into too much detail or technical specs. I will say though that Dirac Live room correction isn't available just yet, so I may hold off on the full review until that drops. And I still have to review the Audio Control Maestro, but that'll drop soon too. So I'm super amped to check out this pre-pro. If you guys have anything you want me to look out for or anything to test, just drop me a comment down below. If you own any one of these, let me know what you think of them. As always, thanks for watching, follow us on social media, and if you want to support the channel and get exclusive updates and giveaways, then stop by our Patreon page. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again in the next video.